iOS 15 new features, must have. iOS 15 is now official, having been announced on stage by Craig Federighi, Tim Cook, and a trove of executives at the opening keynote of WWDC 2021. After last year's iOS 14 update, which introduced an app gallery and widgets to the iPhone, iOS 15 absolutely feels like a more advanced update that aims to improve the core iOS experience. In this video, we are going to tell you about iOS 15 new features must have. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick till the end. In June 2021, Apple introduced iOS 15, the latest version of its iOS operating system, which is set to be released in the fall. iOS 15 introduces new features for tools to reduce distractions, added privacy features, FaceTime calls, a new notification experience, weather, complete redesigns for Safari and Maps, and more. Tools to find focus. iOS 15 offers an amazing tool to help users reduce distractions called Focus. Users can create home screen pages with widgets or apps that apply during time of focus to only display specific or related apps and reduce temptation. When a user's focus is currently blocking incoming notifications, their status is automatically displayed to other people in messages, showing that a user is not currently available unless it is urgent. Basically, a focus can filter home screen pages and notifications based on what a user wishes to focus on at a particular time, while still allowing urgent notifications through. Focus suggestions are based on the user's context, like during his work hours or while he is on the bed, and when focus is set on one Apple phone, it automatically applies to their other Apple phones. Users can set their smartphone to help them be in the moment by selecting a suggested focus or creating a custom focus, which uses on-device intelligence to suggest which apps and people are allowed to notify them. Faster, more private Siri. In iOS 15, Siri will offer faster results, and to improve user privacy, the data can be processed locally on the device. But the better powers on-device or same A12 Bionic Siri functionality. In iOS 15, the improved Siri functionality includes support for many features that don't require an internet connection. Siri can process everything locally and establish personalizations for your phone as long as you have a newer model of iPhone. Health. Apple Health is a free service that runs on every iPhone, along with lots of physical data, apps showing you how many steps you have taken. The iOS 15 update will let you share this data with your trusted family member or physician. Explore the world with Apple Maps. The Apple Maps app now offers an advanced 3D view in almost all cities, with showing buildings, enhanced details, bike lanes, pedestrian crosswalks, and more. The Apple company is committed to building one of the world's best maps, and iOS 15 takes maps with brand new ways to explore and navigate. There is an advanced driving experience with added roads and improved transit features, such as notifications to disembark, pinned favorite lines, and AR walking directions. Users will definitely experience enhanced details in cities for commercial districts, elevation, neighborhoods, and buildings, new road labels, custom designed landmarks, colors, and even with a moonlit glow, a new nighttime mode. Drag and drop between apps. With iOS 15, Apple has made it easy to move images and text between applications. The drag and drop feature will allow you to move an image, link, text, or file from any app to another app. For example, you want to move a text from an email to a news article. All you need is to tap and hold onto the text, open another app, and drop the file there. The best part is the text drag and drops feature isn't limited to text. You can move an image from the Files app and drop it to the Photos app. The feature is useful for both iPad and iPhone users. Shared experiences with SharePlay and more natural FaceTime calls. Users can now share experiences with SharePlay while connecting with friends on FaceTime, including watching a TV show or movie from Apple TV+, listening to songs together with Apple Music and other streaming services in sync, or sharing their screen to view apps together. SharePlay works across iPad, iPhone, and Mac, and anyone in a SharePlay session can play with shared playback controls, pause, or jump ahead. HBO Max, Hulu, Masterclass, Disney+, ESPN+, Pluto TV, TikTok, Paramount+, Twitch and many other TV platforms are integrating SharePlay into their apps, creating entirely new ways to connect. In iOS 15, FaceTime helps users to connect with those who matter most, and conversations with family and friends feel even more natural. New microphone modes separate the user's voice from background noise, and the voices in a FaceTime call sound as if they are coming from where the person is positioned on the screen. The best part is that the portrait mode is now available for FaceTime and even designed specifically for video calls, so users can blur their background and put themselves in focus. Notes app. The Notes app gains support for @mentions and hashtags to organize and notify participants. Notes app also has a new activity view that lets you see all previous actions in a shared note. A redesigned browsing experience with Safari. In iOS 15, the Safari features are in a completely new design. Safari gets a new design that makes controls easier to reach with one hand and puts content front and center. There is also a customizable start page and web extensions for the first time. The new tab bar is compact and lightweight and floats at the bottom of the screen, so users can easily swipe between tabs. New features such as web extensions on iOS, the customizable start page, make Safari even more powerful. There is a new tab bar that floats at the bottom of the screen, so users can easily swipe between tabs. Tab groups allow users to save tabs and easily access them at any time across devices. Digital wallet. Apple is continuing its struggle to take over your physical wallet. Last year, Apple let you add car keys, but in iOS 15, you can add additional keys. Add an access card you may use to enter your office, a home key if you use a smart lock, or a hotel room key. Furthermore, you can scan your driver's license with the Photos Cam and add it to the Wallet app, though this is only available in participating states. Spotlight. In iOS 15, Spotlight now uses intelligence to search for photos by people, scenes, location, or objects, and using the new live text feature, Spotlight can find text in photos. Enhanced results for contact cards show shared photos, recent conversations, and location if it is shared through Find My. For businesses that support app clips, there is an action button on the Maps results in Spotlight. It is also possible to access Spotlight from the lock screen and quickly install apps from the App Store without leaving Spotlight. Spotlight also supports web image searches and significantly richer results for musicians, TV shows, actors, and movies. New notifications experience. Apple introduces completely redesigned notifications in iOS 15. Notifications will now display larger icons for apps and contact photos for people to make them easier to identify. To help reduce distraction, a new notification summary collects non-time-critical notifications for delivery at a more opportune time, such as in the morning and evening. Urgent messages will be delivered quickly, so important communications will not end up in the summary, and it's easy to temporarily mute messaging thread or any app for the next hour or for the day. Using on-device intelligence, notifications are arranged by priority, with the most relevant notifications rising to the top and based on a user's interactions with apps. Weather. You have a lot of options for weather apps, but Apple is hoping that its built-in one can pry you away from Yahoo Weather or weather.com. The home screen looks pretty much the same, but now you get animated maps and backgrounds that change to reflect the time of day. On-device intelligence powers live text. Live text uses on-device intelligence to recognize text in a photo and allow users to take action. For example, users can capture a phone number from a storefront with the option to place a calling search or locate the picture of a handwritten family recipe. With the power of the Apple Neural Engine, the camera app can also quickly recognize and copy text in the moment, such as the Wi-Fi password displayed at a coffee shop. That's all for today. What do you guys think about the new features for iOS 15? According to you, what's your favorite feature on iOS 15? Tell us your thoughts on this video by commenting below. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.